message for the following counties in Minnesota: Clay and Norman, and Cass County, North Dakota. The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from 7 a.m. Monday to 7 a.m. Tuesday. The blizzard watch is no longer in effect. Timing: Monday morning through Tuesday morning. Extreme blizzard conditions likely late Monday morning into the afternoon and evening hours. Winds: north winds 30 to 40 miles per hour, gusting to over 50 miles per hour. Visibility: widespread less than 1/4 mile, with periods of whiteout conditions. Snow accumulations: rain is expected to change over to snow by Monday afternoon. The potential exists for 8 to 16 inches of snowfall, with locally higher amounts possible. These snow amounts may be slightly lowered where it rains for a longer period. Other impacts: travel will likely become impossible on Monday. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle.